Welcome to school too.
Wise one. Please, I brought my two friends here too. I want you to make them well.
You will be rich, but on one condition. You shall run mad for 1 year, and who amongst you will go first? Go first. But don't talk to me like that. Quiet! Make up your mind.
Welcome to school too. School too. Welcome to school too.
Come back after 1 year.
Okay, wise one.
Welcome to school too. School too. Welcome to school too.
Oh, he was here the last time we came here. And today is the last though.
School too.
Today is the last day.
Welcome to school too. Welcome to school too.
The Bible says that Jesus came to die for sinners. The Bible made us understand too that Jesus Christ went solo because he has seen it all. Jesus will never do collabo with anybody. I want to tell you the power to heal this madness is in you. Do you believe that? I believe you. Do you know that the power to heal this madness is in you? I believe. Oh yeah, let us go. I believe.
Welcome to school too.
Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see what the Lord has done. He's healed. He was mad. He was mad, but now he has been made whole.
Pastor, who sent you?
Jesus has healed you.
Pastor, who sent you? Shut up! Hey!
You mean I don't
Shut
get
up!
it.
Who sent you? We must make money! Hey! Pastor, we must be rich!
I don't understand what you're talking
Wait,
about.
Pastor! Wait! Is there any madness remaining inside?
Jesus has healed all the madness.
Hey! Pastor, we need the madness.
No,
We need the
no way, no way.
We must be
No
rich!
way, he has
We
been
must
made
be
whole.
rich!
The
We
Bible
must
has
be
healed
rich!
him. Leave
You
me.
must be
The Bible has healed
You
him.
will be mad again! You will be mad again! We must be
You are
rich!
healed.
Welcome to school too.